Alice Receptionist is often used by companies as an information kiosk for when visitors enter their building. Information can include information about the companies who are in the building. In this example, we have 8 different companies that are members of this building. Each company can dictate what information they want to have available on the kiosk. In this example, if I click on the Acme Rocket Company, I'm going to see a list of employees of that company. I can then use these cards to find the employee I want to speak with, click on their card, and a two-way call will be initiated with the visitor and the employee. Another example would be a company who might want to display information on the screen rather than a list of employees. This information can be web-based, it can include videos, animations, whatever the company wants to display about their organization to the public as they enter the building. In addition to information about the companies who reside in the building, the Alice Receptionist kiosk can be used for lots of other types of information. One example would be a campus map, where visitors can navigate where they are trying to get to within a campus. Another example would be a company who's taking online payments. Many municipalities would use Alice in this way to accept payments from visitors and citizens as they enter the building. Another example of information that can be presented is ground transportation for for visitors who are leaving the building and trying to navigate using the public transit system. Another example would be flight information. If a building has a lot of people who are flying out as they leave their meetings, flight information in real time can be displayed on the Alice Receptionist board. Another example is live TV. So there are some companies that will display streaming video of news or financial news on the screen while it's not in use. This allows visitors to have information while they're waiting in the lobby area. All of these are examples of what can be displayed on the screen, not necessarily the only things. Essentially, Alice can display any web page on the application. That can be a public website, or that can be an internal website that the company builds themselves to present the information that they want. By doing this, Alice is very flexible for companies. Not only do they have the benefit of all the features that we've built into Alice, but anything that's missing that they want to build themselves, they can do in a web browser, and they can present that information directly into the Alice system as an integrated component, and so it looks like it's part of the system. And this allows Alice to be extremely flexible and expandable for many different types of companies.